do they usually have children?
Well, Bahati's setting the limit. She's getting up into her 20s.
But how young can they be when they start?
Harriet's,
3 years old, or?
I think Harriet's about 4 or 5, and she just had her first one. Come here!
Do they have like a lot?
Here comes a baby one.
Structure?
Oh, I thought.
Like, do they seem to communicate in
They
ways?
communicate using infrasound.
Look at
Infrasound.
Haley.
Here
Okay,
comes.
Now, trees don't move around a lot, so you guys need to be still like trees.
Don't drop.
Oh.
Good girl!
Good girl,
That was
Victoria.
great. Okay, guys, do you want to hold up? Here's a piece.
Here, Joey, hold up.
Hold it up. Oh, we might need a little. She's kind of short, so she can only go so far.
You don't want to do it?
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to do it?
Joey, do you want me to hold you?
Yeah.
I'll hold you up.
Take a piece. Oh no! 5-second rule. Here, give her another one. Good job being very gentle.
Oh, yes. Oh, no,
Oh,
no.
Oh,
Cameron,
5-second rule.
Get it.
Cameron got scared.
Here's another one.
You want to try it again?
Yeah,
Haley, you want to try it, honey? No? Okay, Joey.
okay.
Back up.
Hi.
Hold it up, Joey.
Look at that sneaky green thing.
Here it is. Come on back.
More.
Come here.
on.
Let's. Good girl. Okay, guys, I'm gonna ask that you be quiet though. Watch this. Look how long that tongue is.
Wow.
Now you guys are doing a great job because the little one.
Oh, you're going to kiss me?
All right.
You want to touch him?
Sweetie, do you want to get close to the tongue?
Jay.
Come on over here.
You want to see him?
Ready?
Okay, just want to see him.
Look at how big her eyes are.
Okay. Let's see. Now, here you go. And we still
Don't let her,
have-
don't,
still-
yeah, lift it up higher, Jamie.
Yeah,
She's got to put her neck
Oh, I'm
over
sorry.
there.
Yeah, she's
It's really straining
She's
to.
petite.
Can she have acacia, or is
Yeah, she can. Yeah, shake it off because I saw it on the ground. She doesn't want to eat dirty food.
No, don't shake it. Don't shake it.
Hi.
She is my good girl. She is so good. Hold on
Don't
tight.
shake it. Yeah, don't.
Because do you
Hold on
feel
tight.
how strong it is when she pulls it?
Yes.
She uses her upper lip to be able to, basically, she doesn't have a knife and a fork, so she has to use what she's got.
Wow,
She might come
Joey.
back. You did a good job.
That's awesome.
Look at that.